If you're planting in spring and going into summer, obviously it's really hot here in Perth, so it's a good idea to keep an eye on your plants. Most plant losses or deaths are caused by lack of water. They are native, but they still need water to establish, especially through the first year. So it's important to maybe water really deep and heavy twice a week on your watering days. If you do see something that's a little bit stressed, then just give it a little extra hand water with a hose as needed, just to keep it looking premium condition. Plants grow faster in summer. If you can plant them in summer and keep the water up to them, they will establish quicker. Plants planted in winter obviously need less irrigation, as the natural rainfall can take care of our water needs as well. However, they are a little bit slower to grow out with the cold weather. The warm weather, as spring, summer comes on, really pushes plants' growth up. So if we can keep water up to them in spring and summer and the fertiliser, they'll give a really quick, good result.